Hello, my pretty, fabulous, powerful divas, and all my male viewers too, to whom my content interests. And I was talking about the habits of that women, the women who embodies goddess energy, the women who is radiant, who is shining in her life, who is actually not just doing her best, putting her best foot forward in her career. She is also beautiful, radiant lover in her goddess feminine energy. She is also shining in her role as a beautiful, devoted wife. She is in total the awakened goddess herself. Regularly, I'm talking about one habit of that women, and today we'll talk about the fourth habit of that women. By the way, if you are also on a journey of inner work and you want to transform yourself, I would invite you can join my inner work community, where I regularly share inner work tips, small tips which can upgrade yourself, and I interact with those women, those like-minded, growth-oriented, high-value women on daily basis. I will drop the link to the community in the description box. Coming back to the habit of that women. So, the habit number 4 of that women is that women, the radiant women, the goddess energy women, the high value women, listens to her heart. She's connected to her intuition. She does not suppress the voice of her heart. She does not suppress the voice of her intuition. If I would have been suppressing the voice of my intuition, I would never have been here sharing with you, interacting with you. I remember I got a chance for doing theater. I was always, all my life, passionate about acting. But I was suppressing that voice because of fear, because of societal norms, because of conditioning, because of my trauma, and because of how my family would think about it. I was suppressing that voice. Until and unless I started doing my inner work, I never got the courage to act upon my intuition. I never even had the clarity what my intuition is saying. I never had the clarity at first place that what is intuition and what is clutter. But after I started doing my inner work, I realized that some voice which comes from within, the nudge, is actually the voice of intuition, the voice of God, the voice of higher. Listen to that voice. I listened to that voice, I acted upon it, and I got the chance in theater, and I worked in several plays, and I was living my passion. I was loving it, and I was truly living what I really wanted to live, the way I wanted to live. I would never have been in that place. I would never have even gotten selected in that audition if I would not have listened to my heart, listened to my intuition. And several places, I got a nudge from within and I acted on it and I got results. My career, my job, and coming here, theater, and joining a course which is transforming my life currently. The proactive learning I am taking, which is transforming my life currently, is also something which came from me inside. So that is called decision from intuition. Not just decision from intellectual self, but taking decision from your intuition. By the way, if you want to know what is the difference between clutter and intuition and how you can strengthen your intuition, I have made 2 videos on that. I will link them somewhere here, and you can go back and watch that video to grab on the concepts that how you can strengthen the voices of intuition. So that woman listens to her intuition, listens to her inner voice. She has the courage to act on it because she has done a lot of self-work to give her the confidence that the voice which is coming from inside is actually the voice of intuition, the voice of God, and that voice is telling her the truth. That voice is going to guide her to her dreams, to her higher life. So that is it for today. Like it if you like the content, share it with people if you think they need it, and I'm sure someone definitely needs it. And subscribe my channel and stay tuned. My name is Batul, and thank you so much for watching.